This intelligent MT4 indicator system is straightforward. Even a complete beginner can start trading and making profits with this system. This intelligent trend system can be used on any Forex currency pair and other assets such as stocks, commodities, cryptos, precious metals, oil, gas, etc. You can also use it on any time frame that suits you best, from the 1 minute to the 1 month charts. Work best on 5 minutes time frames. The developer recommends day trading on the 5 minutes time frame with gold. Please take note of buy entry. 1. Intelligent dashboard trend shows 90% of trends are in the buy direction. 2. Intelligent candle pressure shows high pressure. 3. Gray candles become green. 4. Green buy arrow, before entry, wait for the candle close. Please take note of sell entry. 1. Intelligent dashboard trend shows 90% of trends are in the sell direction. 2. Intelligent candle pressure shows low pressure. 3. Gray candles become red. 4. Red buy arrow, before entry, wait for the candle close. Trade exist. Any positions with this Forex trading indicator can be liquidated using a fixed profit target. Alternatively, the profit target should be set using previous support, resistance, or high-low level as a reference point. You may also exit the trade manually if the conditions of the system reverse, the opposite signal appears. Stop loss, above/below, green/red, dotted line. Take profit 1 to 3 times your stop loss. Average risk reward from 1 to 1 to 1 to 3. Now, let's watch the official video tutorials of the creator of this indicator. No copyright infringement intended for showing this official video from the creator. Please don't forget to register to the recommended Forex broker link in the posted in the video description below.
Everyone. Now I will show you how to use the intelligent trend indicator. I like to trade on the 5-minute chart, and now I will show you through a couple of pairs how to find your entry and set stop loss and take profit. Let's get a look at the chart. If you notice in the lower part of the chart, you can see the current trend of the market in several time frames. This statistic must match the candle pressure indicator in the upper left corner. If both tell you that you must sell or buy on the larger time frame, then you know which trade you want to jump into. So what I like to do is go trial pairs and see which pair has up to 90% in one direction. When we found a pair that shows us that most of the trend is buy or sell, we can watch for entry. In order to enter the position, you need to understand what the intelligent trend indicator shows you on the chart. If you notice, you will see that some candles are gray, some are red, and some are green. Usually, gray candles are between green or red ones, which means that it is a weak zone and that we can expect an opposite signal or a continuation of the trend. We see that the dashboard shows us the majority of buy positions, and also the candle pressure show majority buy position. Our buy position is right here. We see that we had a red candle zone that turned gray, and we got a green candle with a buy arrow. When that candle closes, we can enter a buy position. We place the stop loss below this red line. We can put take profit in a ratio of 1 to 1 up to 1 to 3. It all depends on you. I like to put a 1 to 2 ratio. If it happens that your trade has already taken place, you can wait for the next weak zone and see if you will get a buy signal, so that you could join just like what happened here. Now we will look at the other pairs to see more examples. Here is the 𝐓𝐔𝐓𝐎𝐑𝐍𝐈𝐀 5-minute chart. Here I wanted to show you a sell trade that has already taken place. We had a green candle zone, then a gray one, and we got a red candle with a sell arrow that is our entry. Of course, we had a trend of confirmation first. We enter a sell trade with a stop loss above the green line. We can also see how we had the next entry in the trade if you didn't have time to enter the first one. I just showed you a proper buy and sell trade. The benefits of using the intelligent trend indicator are that you can more easily spot the trend with buy and sell positions and join the market more easily. You can use our tool to improve your strategy, create a new one that suits you better, or simply follow this strategy as it is.